You remember there's a photo with you on a wheelbarrow.
Yes, at the track.
What happened there?
They bowled him against his knee or something.
Yeah.
In fact, yeah, no, I'll never forget that. It was on a Saturday and it was in the August, I think.
Yes, it's in August. With you was on a wheelbarrow. Yeah.
Yeah, he was very prone to knee injuries.
Oh, okay. So he's a tough nut, eh?
Tough nut, yeah. Now, he used to take punishment on his body in cricket.
Yeah.
And the two of us had many partnerships for Wolmer's too. We used to stick around in the Golden Yoke, and two of us. I remember that one match in the Golden Yoke where he scored 68 and I scored 79 not out. And we played Kuti Neethling, Kosi Williams, the Son brothers, Kulu McClawns.
So these are top players at the time.
Very good team.
Yeah.
But that day we really batted well.
This is on mat or
on mat? Yeah. At Rosmead.
Jesus.
Yeah, sort of jumping around a bit, but you know.
Yeah. And this is in the days before helmets and protective clothing.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh yes. I think the very first time, this was now also just jumping a bit, we played Tigers at Tigerberg.
Yeah.
And I was facing Neville Boyson. It was fast.
Quick.
So I hooked. And I was hooked before the ball came and hit me on the ear.
Sure.
And I went down and was bleeding and I stood up and I said, bowl. And then Tayudin came to fetch. No, you can't play. Oh no, you must stay off now for a while. And there's a wicket fall, you can go.
Yeah.